Every 3 months, we test the systems that could save lives.
ES3.
Emergency stops of ventilation fans. They are the unseen routines that keep safety systems ready when needed most.
Kapag hindi nag-trip dyan, di starting pa rin doon, running pa rin.
Today's testing should be routine. Should be, but not this time.
Na-reset mo na?
Oo. Ito oh. Tingnan ko to na.
Ha? Sige, tingnan mo to.
Nabalik mo na to.
Nabalik mo na.
We're heading to the AHU-1 room, where 407P distribution board is located. Its purpose is straightforward. In case of fire or emergency, one press of the button should stop air circulation instantly, containing smoke and supporting the crew's response.
Naka-power on pa rin dito.
But power supply remains active for exhaust fans of paint store, cargo vent room, and deck workshop. No breaker grip, no silence, just steady pilot lamps still lit.
Sa ES4 tayo mag-uumpisa ng pag-trace. Okay.
This is where our real probing begins.
I saw the name immediately. I knew this is the guy. Again.
See you next time, mate.
See you.
Good
Thank you
luck.
very much.
Bye.
Ito walang color code. Hindi katulad nitong iba. Ang
Ibig sabihin doon lang siya mamamatay, no?
Hindi katulad nito.
Prior to this, we also tested ES4, the emergency stop for accommodation fans. But the shutdown of sanitary fan, galley air conditioning, and galley fans failed as
Individual
well.
ito may shunt trip.
Sabihin, hindi lang sanitary saucepan yung mo. Lahat yung kasama doon, di ba, yung nag-trip? Hindi kumit na.
Individual na yon. Dahil kapag ito, madadamay ang ES3.
Tapos pawa ba ka? Set na ako ng break.
Mga forward fans. Hindi sir nag-activate yung sanitary saka yung gali, yung aho lang.
Makaw lang mo para
Oo. Gali supply, gali fan, saka sanitary ayaw.
may pink siya nakalagay, PS4.
Pink, oo. Dito sir, may individual siyang mga shunt trip para sa ito sanitary. So nung dini-activate namin to kanina, ES4, dapat ito
13-14, ikalas niya yung
de-energize to, K2. So kapag na-de-energize yan, ito close. Itong normally close na 210. Tapos energize tong shunt trip na coil.
ikakalas niya yung breaker.
Oo, doon dapat siya mag-trip itong page 79. Ay, galit to. Itong F1. Ito, iti-trip niya. Stop ngayon.
Yung relay niya ang problema dyan.
Yun ang i-check ko. Yung K2.
Let's engage our minds before we engage our hands. By first understanding the schematics, we can see how the circuit is designed to work.
Ryan, ito kaninang ES4 na 220 trip din, di ba? I-double check ko yung K2 na relay. Kasi mayroon dito.
Dito doon sa board niya.
Individual lang mga ano niya, pakita ko sir. Paano mag-trace ng ano?
Baka iwanan ko na
Emergency stop.
Kasi tinaturuan ako mag-trace ng linyada oh. Baka iwanan ko ng karir ko pag sikan engineer. Mag-wiring na lang ang building.
So nandito tayo sa sanitary exhaust. Di ba sa unang tingin mo hindi mo makikita yung emergency stop? Dahil hindi yan.
May E.
Ano yan?
Wala na, hindi
Push
yan
button
eh.
yan.
Control. Ito yung drive.
Hindi mo makikita rito ang emergency stop dahil shunt trip coil siya ng breaker. May coil dito sa breaker na kapag in-engage mo ang emergency stop, masusupply ng 220 yung coil na yon, iti-trip niya. Shunt trip coil. So yung circuit ng emergency stop makikita sa page 90 column 2C. So nasa ano tayo ngayon, page 77. Pupunta tayo page 90. Page 90, ayan na. So nakita column 2 section C or row C. Ito F1 galing sa 77 page. Ito yung shunt trip coil MX. Ma-activate siya kapag ito nag-close galing sa AS4. Balik tayo sa page 89, tinuturo niya. So itong K2 laging naka-energize na yun dahil ito naka-close. Kapag inactivate mo ang ES4, de-energize,
Bibitaw.
itong normally closed na 210 magsasara. Doon ngayon siya magti-trip itong breaker na
May tanong ako eh.
nakalagay dito. Shunt
Hindi
trip.
pa nagsagot.
Oh.
Yung diagram ba, ano ba yan? Energized position o de-energized position? Yung diagram, lagi. As general. Di ba, ano yan? Walang supply.
I-assume mo na may supply
May supply na.
yung diagram kasi nilagyan ka ng AC 440 60. So ikaw nang balang mag-check kung may supply ka dito sa actual. Pero ina-assume mo yan na naka-energize yan.
Live.
Live yan. Until proven otherwise. Saan na tayo? 90. So ito, i-check ko K2.
Doon yan support.
Nandun yan sa loob ng
Damay-damay yung
distribution.
sila lahat eh.
Kaya nga eh, yung gali hindi rin eh. Dito rin siya yung gali, tingnan mo. Yan o, F3,
Sila eh.
F1, F3, F2. Tingnan natin kung ano tong F3 saka F2. Galing dito. Ito F2 gali, F3 spare.
Kasi dapat mawawala yung mga ilaw doon eh. Kahit na hindi yan tumatakbo, mawawala yung ilaw. Indicator lang.
Tara, tingnan natin. Lalo mamaya pag maalo na. ES4. Ito damay din ng ES5 oh. May ES5 pala, nasa gali lang.
Turo ko sa'yo kung saan yung set. Kita mo
May-
yung disposer?
Oo.
Sarapan ng disposer. Sarapan ni Miss Man, mahugas sa plato.
Yan ang mga MX. MX3 kape. Ang hanapin natin ng MX para sa F9, F1. Isa na yung MX F1. Ito na yung K2 na hinahanap natin.
Ha?
K2. Di ba yan yung sinasabi ko na dapat lagi naka-energize?
Nakapula naman eh. Ibig sabihin, naka-on.
Oo, may supply siya.
Ano kaya? MX F1 o?
Oo.
Pag ganito kaya ako matapasahin.
Go to page 90. May isa akong idea na gusto kong ma-prove na yan yun, nakadikit mismo sa fuse or breaker. Gusto ko na i-verify yung wire. Malamang ito na yun, no? Shunt trip coil na MX F1.
Wala mga... Bakit walang ano yan? Number? 09004 yung number. May screwdriver ka? Tundutin mo nga kung gumagana. Test.
Masyadong malaki.
Gana naman ah.
Gusto ko i-verify kung ito yun. Gusto ko lang ma-verify kung tama yun. Nahanap ko na wire. Wire number 09004. Yun. Tapos yung
003.
08003. Ayan, tama. Ito na nga yun.
Lahat
Yung
sila naka-series? Ha?
Hindi, parallel yan.
Para rin?
Ah.
Oo.
Tingnan natin kung may supply. Dapat AC to eh. Ito ang walang supply. Saan galing yan? Dapat pala ang tutusukin ko 3739. Bali yung tusok ko eh. Yan, meron. Tapos tusukin mo 3837. Ayan, meron din. Ayan. Tapos itong KT1
Pwede kuha na ng continuity kahit naka-live.
pwede, kaya lang kailangan mabilis lang. Ayan. Huwag mong paabutin ng more than 1 minute. Ngayon KT1, tusukin mo ang A1, A2.
A1 dito.
No, A1, A2.
Basta tayo.
Balik natin sa voltmeter. A1, A2. Ayan, may supply.
KT1 A1 to A2 equals 229.0 volts AC. Good. KT2 A1 to A2 equals 229.1 volts AC.
So any emergency stop ni-activate mo, ES4 or ES3. Pag na-open to, pag na-de-energize to, open ang circuit nito, de-energize din. Pwede tayong mag-ano ng ES4, mag-simulate or ES5 na lang.
A4. I-activate ko A4. Bababa ko doon.
Sige. Should be close. Sandali lang, may susukatan lang ako saglit ah.
Okay, sabihin mo lang pa. Sabihin mo lang.
Okay. Open. KT2 1516 is open right now. Please activate ES4.
Okay, copy. S4.
AHU-1 tripped as expected.
Oo, nag-trip.
But other accommodation fans did not trip under ES4.
Yung ano lang, AHU. Itong sanitary hindi pa. Wait lang ah.
Now KT2A1 to A2 is de-energized. Yet shunt trip voltage across F1 sanitary exhaust fan is still zero.
Walang supply yung sanitary. Shunt trip.
Same for F2 galley supply fan. No response, no voltage. Checking KT2's auxiliary contacts. 15 to 16 is still open.
Wait lang, mga 10 seconds. Walang supply. So this should be close.
But since KT2 coil has no supply, its NC 15 to 16 contact should be closed.
15, 16. Paki-reset na.
Okay, reset ko na.
Start ko na tong AHU.
Sandali lang. Reset ko pa lang.
Okay, naka-off pa dito. Alam ko na problema yung KT2.
Ako, naka-reset na ako.
Okay, running.
Timer yung problema.
Oo, KT2.
Natitindigin niya, dali natin dito sa workshop.
Pakita ko sa iyo yung nangyayari ah. Sa ngayon, sa normal condition, energized to. So, ngayon, ito naka-open.
Normally close, normally open.
Oh, dahil normally close ang 1516. Energize ang coil,
May
open.
reading ka eh. Pag wala kang reading, close.
Tingnan mo open.
Wala kang continuity dyan. Pag continuity kukunin mo.
Oo. Wala. Ngayon, isa-simulate natin tong off delay timer coil na mawala ng supply. So, paano mangyayari yun? Tatanggalin natin to. K2. Itong A1, A2 wala na supply dahil
Wala na.
tinanggal natin. Ngayon,
Dapat mag-break na yon.
kailangan ito close na. 15-16. Yan.
15, 16.
Naka-open pa rin.
Naka-open. May reading ka eh.
Ayan, open pa rin. So, yan ang problema.
Palitan natin yung relay.
I-off natin ang fuse. 37. naka fuse 39 para testingin natin. May problema na agad eh. Alam mo kung bakit? Normally close to eh, dapat close na agad yan.
Naka-welding.
Hindi naka-welding kasi 15-16 anti-mano close na pero open.
Normally close.
Should be close in the first place.
This new time relay is different. It's a multifunctional type. It can be used as on delay, off delay, pulse, and more.
You will put 2.
For testing, we set the range equals 1 to 10 seconds and the time equals 3 seconds.
And
We choose function C, the off delay equivalent. Aside from the original connections, we also use the S terminal for switching logic.
section
Multimeter probes are connected across the NC contacts 15 to 16 of the relay. The multimeter is set to continuity test, beeping on closed circuit.
energize. Switch.
Now observe, when we flip the S input, there's a 3-second delay on de-energization.
1001, 1002, 1003.
The circuit resets instantly when S is reconnected.
Energize. It will open and de-energize. We will set to 1 second.
Finally, we adjust the time setting to match the old relay, 1 second.
Energized. Then emergency stop. That's it. Energized. Always open. And then energized. That's it. That's it.
82.
Mounting the new relay in place. Connections prepared and re-terminated. Wiring adjusted for the S-terminal logic. ensuring continuity and proper alignment. Tightening terminals, double-checking each point. New timer relay installed, ready for functional testing. Now comes the moment of truth, testing the emergency stop.
Now we will simulate emergency stop. ES4.
Function C set to 1 second of delay, time to prove our solution. Fans shut down, breakers respond one by one. Sanitary exhaust, galley fans and air conditioning all stop as designed. This relay also links to ES3, controlling forward and cargo ventilation.
Reset.
Its function follows the same logic. We reset breakers F1, F2, and F3, restoring the sanitary and galley fans.
Okay na, Ryan. Okay na. Nag-trip na. Nag-trip na siya. Oo. Paki-reset na lang yung AHU breaker.
Sa mag-testing ulit.
Gusto mong nandun ka? Ako mag-testing dito para makita mo doon. AHU.
Nag-trip yung tatlo?
I-reset ko doon yung AHU.
This is why routine tests matter. What seemed normal revealed a hidden fault. Through probing, diagram reading, and verification, the circuit is restored.
Okay na.
The probe revealed the problem. The solution restored the safety. The system stands ready for the emergency we hope never comes. Keep on probing.